Hello everybody, this is my lesson on how to add and subtract fractions. Just a nice quick recap to help you with your fraction learning. So let's go through our success criteria. I can change the denominators to the same by using my times tables. Really important that when we're looking at denominators to the same, we make sure we use our times tables. I can convert mixed number fractions to improper fractions. So a mixed number fraction will be, say, something like 2 2/3. And then you can change it to an improper fraction. That's really important to do because it makes it easy to subtract. Then you can add and subtract the fraction, and then you can convert the fraction to its simplest form. So here we go. So Amir is calculating 7/9 take away a half. He finds the lowest common multiple of 9 and 2. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 2 is 18. So 7/9 take away 1/2 is the same as 14/18 take away 9/18 equals 5/18. So let's try using this method a different way. So let me show you what I did. So I've got 3/4 take away 1/3. I can't take away a third from a quarter because the denominators are different. These are my denominators here. 4 and 3. So I need to use my times table to do it. So I've written out my times table. So I've written out my 4 times table. So that's 1 times 4, 2 times 4, 3 times 4, 4 times 4. And I've done the same to 12 over the 3's here. So then what that means straight away that I've got the common multiple is 12. But I need to work out how to change it. So for 4 to get to 12, I need to multiply this fraction by 3. And then to get from a third to 12, I need to multiply by 4. So if I go through over here, what I did. So 3/4, I've times it by 3, as I said I would here. So I need to times that, the top one by 3 as well. I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. So 3/4 equals 9/12. I do the same to the thirds here. Times by 4, and I do 1 times 4, which would equal 4. So that equals 4/12. And then I subtract it, and my answer is 5/12. Now, I didn't have to convert any mixed number fractions or anything like that. I've got another one here. This is an addition one. This is slightly different. So on Friday, Ron walks 5/6 kilometers to school, 3/4 kilometers to shops, and 4/5 kilometers home. How far does he walk altogether? So I'm going to write these fractions down. So 5/6. This is going to be my number sentence. Plus 3/4 plus 4/5. Now I can see here straight away that this is going to be slightly tougher because they've all got different times tables, which is what was going to happen anyway. So let's go through. I could try and work out what would be the right one for each one. So let's have a think. I can write my times tables out. So I can go till I get there. So I can do 6, 12. This is one way, 12, 18, 24. I'm just going to fast forward through this bit. Oh, let's fast forward through this bit. But carry on writing your times tables whilst I do it for you, so you can pause it here. Right, I'm back. So I've just written my times tables up to a certain amount. That's one way you could do it. I think there's probably an easier way that we could also do it. But we have to, let's go through this way first. Maybe you can find a different way of how to solve it. So I've gone down here, and over here you can see 60 appears in the 6 times table, the 4 times table, and the 5 times table. So let's have a look. With this one, I need to times, so this fraction here, I need to times by 10. This fraction here, I've got 12, 13, 14, 15, times by 15. And then with this fraction here, it's times by 12. So I'm just going to convert these fractions now on the next page. So remember, I've got to times by 10 here, 15 here, 12 here. So let's go through that. So 5, 6, so that's going to be 50 over 60. Oh, let's put that in the right place. That might be easier. So 50 over 60. And this one here is going to be 15 times 3 is going to be 45 over 60. This one here is going to be 48 over 60. And then I need to add all these numbers up. So I need to add the numerator. So my numerator is going to be 50, 45, and 48, which if I add that, so I'm going to do 95. 50 at 45 equals 95. Add 48. Now I'm going to say if I'm going to do 95 add 48, I'm doing this all in my head. Really simple way. I can make the 48 into 50, which means if I do that, if I do the 48 add 50 instead, remember I've added 2 more extra, so it's easier for me to add 50. So actually I could make this 93 because that's added 2 extra to this number. That means I can take away 2 from the other number, still be the same. So 93 add 50 is easy to work out, is 143. So I'm looking at 143 over 60. So let's go through 143 over 60. Now I want to find a number that can both be divided by, or let's go how many 60s go into 143. So that will be 2 lots of 60. So that would be 2 kilometers with 23 over 60. So that's how far he's walked together. I hope that's helped. There's a different way you could solve this, but have a go and see what you can get. Thank you.